mabuti na, delicate ko.
Uy, game na!
Parang hindi ko nararamdaman gumagalaw.
Parang hindi ko nararamdaman.
Hindi ko nararamdaman gumagalaw.
Saan ba?
Saan eh? Take me away.
And the feeling that I'm falling that makes me shiver. Sometimes sad to say as she comes through her hair. And she bursts her left eyes, her eyes that she plays with me, saying there's no joy, nothing to say. Yes, I love her, all that I am. And her voice is still in my hands. And she's all that I see, and she's all that I need. And I'd rather believe once again. Uy, dali maganda naman kayo, mag-ibo kayo.
Music video.
Oh, music video, dali na.
Ay, kunyari magkakit tayo. Kayo, ate Mel.
Game.
Tapos kayo kakanta.
Ako na. Ito. Wait lang. Sige, game na. Dalawa ka. Cause I love her, all that I am. And her voice is long in my hand. She's something for me. But I'd rather run. She's all that I am. This is the bomb. And I'm once again.
Ganda mong music video dito. Nakapandar ba to? Nakabalik-balik.
Wala pa kasi pinupuno pa.
So,
Uy, ano ba? Mag-away nga kayo. Walang tunog. Please take me away. And the feeling that I'm falling further in love makes me shock. But I can't say. Since I have sad and stare. And she bleeds on through her hair. And she... Mayapal kaya! Cause I love her with all that I am. And my voice takes flow with my hands.
tumatawa din
Cause
seryoso.
it's finding to be something in this world. But I'd rather than I love. All that I
Away us.
once again.
Guys, sinanay at tatay ko ng Joshua! Mag-ingat ka lagi! God bless! Happy Halloween! Chup-chup mama! Mama chup-chup! I love you! Hope you love me!
Ito na, passenger! Passenger Angel!
Binabati ko nga pala si Josh. Kamusta na? Uy! Number 1 fan mo ako, men.
Uy, dali, passenger seat.
Ano ba?
Ako naman kay Jacob.
Ano?
Kinikilig ako kay Jacob!
Do you love Jacob Junicio?
Next question, please.
Do you love Jacob?
Oh! Hindi. Pwede na.
Ako basta
Upload mo
Joshua.
to say na.
Ako Joshua basta ano lang kita. Mag-ingat ka lagi. Dito lang kami, support mo. We always here.
Game na.
Yeah.
And I've got something that I need. Right here in the passenger seat. Or I can keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she sees this lonely. Isip ka na may lyrics dito, yung pang maganda naman.
Ay, ano kayo?
Sometimes.
Kay Taylor.
Mga may ano.
Pati tayo bate-bate.
Patingin niyo si Benny.
Hi, Benny! Bayan, Benny! Hi, Benny! Si Joshua.
Mag-game, dali! Wait lang, may gagawin ako.
Tatanong ako dito pag ano. Pag naging kami ni Joshua!
Magkakali na ka daw. Sumaya dito hanggang Baguio.
Pag Jacob daw po. A-upload ko na naman.
Shane, send mo sa akin YouTube ko i-upload.
Oh my God! Nakakaya yung kay plastic dito. Lexi.
I love you, Lexi!
I love you, Lexi!
Dapat hindi malayin nyo. Tag natin si Lexi.
Ulit.
Okay, bye!